Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Now in this video I'm making taco soup. It is a one pot meal full of flavor, vegetables, and just good. And you can see my little man that I'm talking to. Okay, you don't want to say hi? Well, and my nephew that I talk about in the video too. Anyway, let's get started. So I have about 3 pounds of ground meat in my pot. You want to add some chicken? No, beef broth. Add that in there. Let it pop it. And this is a quick meal too, and it'll last for a few days. I have my niece and nephew over tonight, so thought I'd make a big pot. It'll go a long way. Add some more beef broth. This is a 32 ounce. You can add as much or as little as you want. And beef broth, it just adds that extra flavor. And I normally add about 3 32 ounce cartons of beef broth. I get all of that in there real good. Okay. All right. And I have it set on like medium, about a 5, depending on what your stove is. All right, and then I'm going to cut up a whole onion, probably about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to get this cut up and I'll be back. Okay, so I chopped up 1 whole yellow onion, so you just put that all in there. Ooh. I did 2 cloves of garlic, and just add that in there so it boils and cooks all together. It's very simple and easy to make taco soup, you guys. And just let that cook some, and then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of cans of corn. Just put that in there. You can use frozen, but I'm going to use cans tonight. Normally I would get the frozen bag of corn, but we have so much corn right now, so I'll use some of the canned corn that we have. And these are black beans that I'm adding. Pass me a spoon over there, please. Small is fine. Thank you.
I got clowned in the first episode.
You got what?
I got clowned about the spoon in the first episode.
Oh, yeah. So you gave me a little spoon for what I was trying to do. But this is okay. Okay. Got my black beans. And then I'm going to add Rotel tomatoes. If it's loud, it's because, like I said, we have extra children here. My niece and nephew are here for the weekend. So, like I said, I'm making this big hot taco soup. And then we're going to make s'mores later.
I'm eating ice cream later.
Okay.
Ice cream!
Okay, so there was 2 cans of Rotel. And then I'm going to add a can of pinto beans.
Hey, while you putting that in, you should tell a joke your coworker told the other day. That was fun.
Oh yeah. So my coworker.
They can't see your face, so you can just do what you're doing.
How about now? I don't want to get all in the camera.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, I don't need to be all in the camera. Well, anyway, so my coworker, he tells jokes every morning. And yesterday he told a joke. He said a fish ran into a wall, and when he hit the wall, what did he say? Damn. Yeah, that was funny to me.
That was funny to me too. Damn.
Yeah. Damn. Okay, so now I'm going to add some black pepper. And of course y'all know I do not measure. But I'm going to add some pepper. I don't want to add a whole lot. I think that's good right there. I just eyeballed a little handful. And I'm going to do the same thing with the salt. Oh, he told another joke too.
Was it funny?
So the fish went into a bar. And the bartender said, "What will you have?" The fish said, "Water."
All right.
So yeah, they're funny. They're funny. Let's see, he told one, I can't remember what he said today. I have to remember it, but chili powder. I'm going to add chili powder. And nope, I'm not measuring, just eyeball it. It's a big pot, so I'm just going to do a handful and I'm going to throw that in there. And then I'll taste it throughout. And if I need to add to it, then that's what I'll do. Okay, so I added the chili powder. I added my salt, I added my pepper. I'm going to add ground cumin. And just sprinkle that in there however much or little you want to add. I like cumin. And some garlic powder. And I'm going to do a can of tomato paste. And I did wipe these off. Whenever I buy cans, before I open them up, I always wipe the lid off because you just never know what's lurking on there. And tomato sauce. Alright. Also have ranch mix. I've got 2 packages of that. And like I said, you just dump everything in one pot, let it cook for about 40 minutes to an hour. And you have yourself some taco soup. It's quick, simple, one pot. Just throw it all in. Come on over here, baby, so they can see. Get on in here so they can see what's going on in this pot.
Y'all gonna hear the camera focus. Sorry. Alright.
Can you see all that?
Yeah, they can see it.
It's going to be good and full of flavor. Alright, and we're just gonna let this cook. Alright, y'all, so the taco soup has been cooking for about 40 minutes now. And I'm going to go ahead and make a bowl of it. And it smells so good. Get a good old big bowl of it too. Let me get some of this juice. Woo. And I'm also going to add, now you don't have to do this, But I'm gonna add some tomatoes, some avocado, cheese. Sprinkle a little cheese on there. What's going on, little man? Also add a little bit of sour cream. Let's get that right on over there. That looks good. Add a little more sour cream. I like sour cream. Also add a little bit of cilantro, fresh cilantro. Just make it real pretty. And I'm gonna add some avocado to mine. You don't have to. Some people don't want to do that. Then I'm gonna add a couple of more tomatoes. More tomatoes. And there you have it. Let me get another spoon.
Hey, ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
Huh?
Soup. See, look at that. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
You do. You eat.
Birthday.
Birthday.
It's birthday.
Yeah. Who gave you that? This is a sharpener. You don't need that.
Mine.
Go give it to Sinai.
Mine.
No, it's not yours. But there you have it, your taco soup. Okay. Please don't come in here bouncing that ball. Y'all have children. I know you understand. But here's the taco soup.
Money shot.
Is it good?
It's good. You ready to eat?
No.
Y'all, thank you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time on What We Eat.